It's a bad man thing. See, where do I begin? Where do I begin? You go online, you buy a wig, you get excited, gets to your doorstep, you come home, you open the box, and what do you discover? You bought the wrong color. That is what happened to me. Welcome back to the channel. This is Wigs to Wasteland. This is brought to you by Glamourtress.com. So if you are interested in the unit, definitely check out all the information in the description box down below. This unit is Zavina. I have the 613B. This unit is heat safe. She's a premium high heat fiber, and she is a bomb 13x4 lace parting. And she is a light yaki unit, and I'm loving the texture on here. So on the inside of this unit, it looks like you do get 2 combs after the Swiss lace parting, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. If you are interested in seeing this unit, then you know the deal, and I hope you'll watch to the end. Just go ahead and keep watching. Yeah.
Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
This right here. So, Miss Zavina, this is actually a very beautiful wig. Very beautiful wig. This is something that you really have to work yourself up to. Really have to work yourself up to. Texture is just bomb. Texture is just so natural. This in a 1, a 2, or even one of the like purple colors would just be amazing. Such a beautiful unit. And I love the fact that we have tapered ends and they are so natural looking. Density, this is with all the hair to the front. Well, let me just go ahead and give you a 360. You ever been to a pool and you put your toe in and the water is just so cold, and then you just say, you know what, I just gotta go for it, I gotta jump in, and you get that just burst of shock from the cold water? Girl, no, I know it's a couple of you out there. Yes, I'm talking to you, and I'm talking to you over there. I know there's a couple of you out there who have wanted to try the 613, who have wanted to see what it looks like on your skin tone. Boom, here you go. This is definitely a color you have to work up to. You gotta wear it with confidence, girl. You gotta wear it with confidence. I could definitely see this being like, for one of them all white parties, this would be lit. For an all white party, like a New Year's Eve all white party, you could definitely pull this off. I'm not saying that you can't wear it. If you love it, do you. No real immediate cons, but I will say with the 613, you have to be careful because my makeup did rub off on this color, but that is really my only really gripe with this unit. This is just, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up on the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Snapchat. Of course, anything else that you guys can think of, drop it down below, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.